Yo, so it's been so long since I built a Lego set like this. So it's 8 plus. You can be 99 and you can play it now. So that's good. Has 238 pieces. Oh, so let's get cracking, yo. Bit different than what it was like when I was a kid. Yo, look at this. I could win. Cool. Alright, so that's supposed to be a Lego set. Yo, I bet there's something illegal about that. Oh, here we go. You just stick that on there. I don't like that. It makes me uncomfortable. Okay, I don't know where anything is. And then the villager guy. It's like that. Yo, that's weird. He has no arms. His arms are attached. That's canonical, by the way. His arms are attached. See, I'm looking at this. He's supposed to have that piece right there. Oh, it's probably in this little packet here. I would always lose these. It's probably a good thing that they add extras, because I would just absolutely lose these. Yes, yes, yes. Look at him. Look at him go. My man, my man. He's the beekeeper. I guess that means you gotta dress up like a bee as well. Move that out of the way. I bet. Oh, it's in here. There we go. All the pieces we're gonna eventually lose. Okay. Dude, have you ever stepped on a Lego? It hurts. So you give him his little shovel. There you go. He's ready to commit murder. Look at him go. Like this. See, we're getting somewhere now. Okay. These right there. Now we're flipping it over. Have I already done it wrong? I have already done it wrong. Okay. There we go. Jesus. Man, these are really, really detailed instructions. It's almost like they're for 9-year-olds. Goes in the end like this. What? Did I miss? I missed a whole page of instructions. I started on this page. It's like, look, 1, 2, 3, 4. I was like, I thought it was telling me to build all of this. It's like, what? What? No, I totally just missed an entire page of instructions. Cool. Oh, Jesus. So, you gotta take this, put it on top of this, put it on top of this, put one of these on top of that. Then you want to put this on top of that. Then you want to put this on the back. Okay, so now, see, what you want to do is repeat that 4 times. The B is elongated. Sure. We got B. B movie. Barry B. Benson.
Alright, let's put this back together. Oh, she's my back. Okay, okay. Ow. The train. The train is going on. I can't believe you gotta do this 4 times, boys. Let's go, 4 times.
These B's, I don't know, they just don't look right. These B's are wrong. I built that B backwards. I'm not rebuilding it. I don't care. That B is just, okay, so you know in the B movie it goes yellow, or yellow, brown, yellow, brown. Ooh, let's shake it up. Brown, yellow. That's that B right there. That's Barry B. Benson. Okay. I remember I couldn't pry these apart when I was younger. Like, I would break my fingernails. And I'd go in parents' room and be like, Mommy, Mommy, I broke my nail. It's like, how'd you do that? I was like, I tried to put the Lego part on the other Lego part and it broke. Alright, now we're making the sheep. We're making an Apple user. There you go. Sheep. Alright, so you want to take this gray brick, sandwich it with the tan brick. What color tan? In the corner like that. Yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Yeah. I'm going to attach this like this. Looks like nothing. Okay, like that. Then you want to put it on this to where I think it matches up like that. Yeah, boys. Okay, put it in like that. Yeah, man. Yeah. Jesus Christ, go in there. Like that. Yes. Indeed. Indeed, Reno. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah, boys. Look at that. What? What? This is wrong. It's supposed to be like that. Then you put these in like this. See, my brain is humongous. Wait, guys, humongous has the word Among Us in it. That means the word humongous is sus. Put the brick in like that. Put 3 brick right there. Then the 2 brick right there. Yeah, boys. Like this. Oh, broke it already. Okay, I think you put it right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. You put it in like this. Look at that, boys. We're getting somewhere. Then you want to put this on top of here like this. Look at that. Let's see. Ow. This is a disaster. Put it right there. That. Much better. Put it up here like this. Then you want to take this naughty little guy right here. Put it up here like this. Then you need, what is that? This guy right here. Okay, once again we did something wrong. Backwards. It was backwards. This goes on top with this topping it. Oh, so then you put it over this. See, I didn't do that part. You were supposed to do this. And then put one of these right here. See, I didn't do that. I just straight up just missed that part. God, dang it. Ow, God. Okay, put it in the wrong place. Broke my fingernail. Yeah, boys. Yeah. Yeah. This is real America. Putting plastic stuff together. Bricks. They're fun. Oh, sorry. You have to assemble the fire. Fire. Some assembly are required. purple flower. Cool. Dude, it's so weird because when the Minecraft Lego sets came out for the first time, it was like, well, isn't that what Minecraft is anyway? Oh man, I have blue beaver brains. There we go. Then you put this thing on top. I knew that the whole time. Mm-hmm. That's a bit concerning. I don't like that. I don't want this. See, I don't like this. I don't like what we're doing. It's very, like... It's very wrong. Oh, no, I'm an idiot. So when you spin it, the bees are all angry. Okay, let's put all the extra pieces I'm sure we didn't need over there. That's what we got so far. On to bag number 2. Okay, boys. Time to do... We do a little building here. Get in there! Yes! Speedrun. Speedrun world record, boys. Like that. Like that. And you want to put that on top like that and kind of straighten this brick out a little bit. Oh, we're making the tree. I gotcha. Sure. Bee and tree. We're imprisoning it. That one committed murder. Then this guy right here goes in the middle of that little boy. He does. Yes, sir. Oh, supposed to be like just a lid. So you can like take it off and see, I guess. That sneaky boy was down there. Sneaky man. And this on the top. That is kind of ugly, to be honest. Yes. This bee, this sneaky little bee boy, goes into here. This villager, he has murdered countless, goes here. See, we're just gonna have him here, beating the bee with a shovel. Well, there you go. That's the finished piece. Cool. Yeah. There you have it. Oh, you better get back in there. Oh, his wing broke off. The whole piece is ruined. It's ruined.